How to earn Shein points. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in the Me page, here you're going to find the option of check-in. Click on it. You need to come to this page daily and check in. The more consecutive days you check in, the more points you earn. Likewise, head back. Now navigate to the option of points. Click on it. Click on the option of Get More. Here you're going to find different options. By verifying your email, you can earn 100 points. By completing your preferences, you can earn 20 points. Likewise, by reviewing the order, you can earn up to 10 points. Also, Shein often runs campaigns and contests. Participate in these to earn extra points. The Shein app sometimes includes game and other interactive activities that rewards points. Follow Shein on various social media platforms and participate in their social media events and giveaways to earn points. Enter your birthday in the Shein app and you will receive bonus points on our special day. Watch Shein's live stream and participate in the events to earn points. Well, these are the ways to earn Shein points. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.